Don't scratch the itch. Understanding rashes and itching in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video today. We're going to tackle an important topic, rashes and itching. This is an essential part of your health and wellness vocabulary in English, so let's jump in. First, let's understand what rashes and itching mean. A rash is a noticeable change in the texture or color of your skin. It could become red, bumpy, scaly, or itchy. Itching refers to an unpleasant sensation that makes you want to scratch your skin. It's also known as pruritus. Rashes can come in different forms. Here are some types of rashes and how to describe them. Hives, a rash that appears as swollen, red bumps or plaques on the skin. Eczema, a condition that makes your skin red and itchy. Eczema is usually long-lasting and can flare up periodically. Heat rash, a skin irritation caused by excessive sweating during hot, humid weather. Contact dermatitis, a rash caused by contact with certain substances. The skin may become red, itchy, and inflamed. Now that we know the different types of rashes, let's use them in sentences. 1. I think I have hives. I've broken out in itchy red bumps. 2. My skin is red and itchy. I suspect it's eczema. 3. After jogging in the hot weather, I developed a heat rash. 4. I must be allergic to the new detergent. It's given me contact dermatitis. When talking about itching, it's often used with the verb to itch. For example, my skin itches, or the rash is itching me a lot. It's also common to use itchy as an adjective. For example, I have an itchy rash, or my skin feels itchy. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to discussing rashes and itching in English. Remember, these terms can be very helpful when you need to describe symptoms or talk about your health in English. Practice using these words and sentences until they become natural to you. We hope you found this video useful, and until next time, take care and stay healthy.